Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to schedule a Zoom meeting and send the invite link to participants. Whether we are planning a class, a meeting, or an event, setting it up in advance helps everything run smoothly. On the Zoom dashboard, click on Meetings on the left side. From there, click Schedule a Meeting. This option can be found on the left or in the middle of the screen. On the scheduling page, click on Sample Meeting. Here, we can set the date, time, and duration of the meeting. Adjust these settings to fit our needs. Once everything looks good, click Save. The invite link is now ready. All we need to do is copy it and share it, whether that's by email, social media, or any other way that works best. And that's it. That's how we schedule a Zoom meeting and share the link in just a few simple steps. We are all set to host and connect with others.